Did you know that the pirate ship ride the Piratenboot at Plopsaland, Belgium has a fascinating history? It's far more than just an attraction, it's a true time traveler. Dive into true 3D and full VR immersion. Move your smartphone or tablet to look around. For the ultimate 3D effect, use a VR headset. The Piratenboot in 3D. Originally operating as early as 1978 in the former Melly Park, it was completely re-themed in 2000 with the opening of Plopsaland. The old ship transformed with great attention to detail into a real pirate boat, becoming Peak Pirate's anchoring spot. What makes the Piratenboot so special? Over the years, it has changed its location within the park multiple times. Since 2006, it has stood in its current, iconic spot where the SuperSplash glides beneath it. And the thrilling roller coaster The Ride to Happiness by Tomorrowland speeds by in close proximity. This creates the unique illusion that the pirate boat is floating on a lake and is part of a dynamic park experience.
Eine Schifffahrt, die ist lustig. Oder? Ja, das ganz außen sitzen.
Before we say goodbye, here are a few exciting facts about the Piratenboot. Did you know this classic pirate ship ride was built by the renowned German manufacturer HUSS Rides? It can swing you up to an impressive angle of over 75 degrees, lifting you to a soaring height of almost 20 meters, that's over 65 feet. And as you've seen in the video, its location is truly unique. The SuperSplash glides directly beneath it. And the Ride to Happiness rushes past just a few meters away. What a masterpiece of park planning. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this immersive video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more theme park videos. See you next time.